Welcome to Station 7. This is about solving for y. So our main object of all of this is to get the y alone. So that y, what's in the way of getting that y alone is the 5x. So the first thing I do is I always put a line down in between my equal sign. That reminds me that whatever I do to the left of the line, I have to do to the right of the line and vice versa. So we need to get rid of this 5x. So what we do is the opposite. Since it's a plus 5x, I subtract it over. So that gets rid of the 5x on the left-hand side, and all I'm left with is that y. I bring it down. On the right-hand side, 8 minus 5x. That is not 3x. Those are not like terms, and if you haven't gotten to that station, you will. And 8 minus 5x, since you can't combine them, will just stay 8 minus 5x. And that is your answer. The next one, I'll put my line down. Again, our object is to get the y alone. So what's in the way this time is a couple things. We have to get rid of the 2 and the minus 6x. What you always want to do first is get rid of the thing with the x first. So since it's minus 6x, I'm going to add it over. I'm going to bring down my 2y. And 8 plus 6x. You can't combine that, so it just stays 8 plus 6x. Now I need to get rid of the 2. That's in the way still. So 2, that's a times symbol in between, so you divide to get rid of the 2. That gets rid of it. And I get to divide this whole side by 2. There's a couple different ways that you can write this. Y equals, you can either keep it as 8 plus 6x over 2. That is just fine. Or you can actually divide it and makes it look a little nicer. Like 8 divided by 2, that's 4. And 6 divided by 2, that's 3. So that would also be an acceptable answer on that right-hand side. So either one I would accept. I want you to pause the video, and I want you to do the next 2 problems. And when you're done, replay it and check to see if you did a good job. Alright, hopefully you've done the 2 problems. So, again, our object on both of these is to get the y alone. What's in the way in this one is the minus 2x. What's the way in these two is the 3 and the 6x. So for the first one, to get rid of the minus 2x, I add it over. I bring down the y because that's gone. Equals 5 plus 2x is not 7x. They're not like terms, so I just keep it as 5 plus 2x. And that's my final answer. If you like to rearrange the order, then knock your socks off. It could be 2x plus 5. You can only do that because it's a plus sign. For the next one, I need to get rid of the 6x, so I subtract it over. That gets rid of the 6x. I bring down my 3y and 9 minus 6x. Now I got to get rid of the 3. That's in the way, so I divide it over. So your answer could be either 9 minus 6x over 3, or you could actually divide everything. So 9 divided by 3 is 3, 6 divided by 3 is 2, so it could be that as well.